A recent revelation has raised significant concerns about user privacy and data security. Reports indicate that a popular Google Chrome extension, Urban VPN Proxy, has been intercepting millions of users' interactions with AI chatbots without their knowledge. As of December 15, 2025, this extension, which boasts over 6 million users and a 4.7 rating on the Chrome Web Store, is said to have been silently collecting prompts and responses from AI platforms like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. While marketed as a tool for secure VPN access, its recent update enabled data harvesting by default, allowing the extension to capture sensitive conversations. Next, we'll delve into how this extension operates and the implications for users and their data privacy. If you find this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to InfoSec Now for the latest cybersecurity news. Your support really helps us continue building useful content for cybersecurity professionals. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to InfoSec Now for the latest cybersecurity news. Your support really helps us continue building useful content for cybersecurity professionals. Timeline of events, how it unfolded. On July 9, 2025, Urban VPN Proxy pushed an update, version 5.5.0, that activated data harvesting features by default, unbeknownst to users. This marked a critical turning point in the extension's operations, with the new hard-coded settings enabling the interception of user interactions with various AI chatbots. By December 15, 2025, Koi Security reported that Urban VPN was silently gathering extensive data from millions of users, including prompts and responses exchanged with AI systems. This revelation raised alarms about the ethical implications of such data collection, especially considering the sensitive nature of the information users often share with AI. The developer, Urban Cybersecurity Incorporated, based in Delaware, had previously marketed the extension as a tool for enhancing user privacy. However, the updated privacy policy, effective June 25, 2025, suggested a shift in this narrative, stating that user prompts and outputs would be collected for safe browsing and marketing analytics. This contradiction between advertised privacy and actual practices has led to significant scrutiny. The extension's operation involved sophisticated JavaScript executors that manipulated browser APIs to funnel user data to remote servers, specifically designed to capture and exfiltrate conversation details. This method raises serious questions about the security of browser extensions and the potential for abuse of user trust. Adding to the controversy, it was revealed that Urban VPN shared data with BI Science, a company also owned by Urban Cybersecurity Incorporated. This partnership allowed for the raw data to be used for commercial insights, contradicting claims of anonymization. The ethical concerns were compounded by accusations against BI Science for misleading privacy practices in its data collection methods. As the story gained traction, it prompted reactions from both Google and Microsoft. While Google removed all 4 implicated extensions from the Chrome Web Store, Microsoft began an investigation into the matter, highlighting the seriousness of the situation and its implications for user trust and data privacy across platforms. The incident has sparked broader discussions about the responsibilities of browser extension developers and the need for more stringent oversight in app marketplaces. As users increasingly rely on AI chatbots for personal and sensitive inquiries, the importance of safeguarding their data has never been more critical. #### consequences. Who's affected and what it means. The fallout from the Urban VPN Proxy incident extends far beyond individual users, affecting the broader landscape of internet privacy and security. Millions of users who believed they were enhancing their online safety are now grappling with the implications of their data being harvested without consent. This breach of trust raises critical questions about user agency in a digital environment increasingly reliant on AI technologies. From a regulatory perspective, the incident may prompt scrutiny from authorities concerned with data protection and privacy laws. Agencies like the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) in the United States and the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) enforcement bodies in Europe could initiate investigations, potentially leading to fines or stricter regulations for tech companies that fail to protect user data. Moreover, the revelation could undermine public confidence in browser extensions and VPN services. Users may become more hesitant to adopt such tools, fearing that their data could be misused. This skepticism could stifle innovation in the privacy sector, as developers face increased scrutiny and a more cautious user base. The situation also has implications for AI developers and platforms that rely on user interactions for improving their models. If users become wary of engaging with AI chatbots due to privacy concerns, the quality and breadth of data available for training these systems could diminish. This could slow advancements in AI technology and limit the potential benefits that come from user interaction. Additionally, the incident highlights the role of third-party data brokers like BI Science, which creates a complex ecosystem where user data is commodified. The sharing of raw data with advertisers raises ethical concerns about informed consent and the transparency of data practices. This could lead to a push for clearer policies regarding data sharing and user rights, as consumers demand more control over their personal information. In summary, the repercussions of Urban VPN's data harvesting practices are far-reaching, affecting users, regulatory bodies, tech companies, and the future of AI development. As the digital landscape evolves, the need for robust privacy protections and ethical data practices becomes increasingly critical. As investigations unfold regarding the Urban VPN Proxy extension, both users and cybersecurity experts are urging vigilance and proactive measures. The alarming data harvesting practices have prompted calls for increased transparency in how browser extensions operate, particularly those with significant user bases. Experts emphasize the importance of scrutinizing permissions requested by extensions before installation, as many users may overlook these details in their quest for functionality. In light of the situation, users are encouraged to review their installed extensions regularly. This includes not only uninstalling Urban VPN Proxy but also evaluating other extensions for similar data collection practices. The recent findings highlight a broader issue within the extension ecosystem, where seemingly benign tools can engage in questionable data handling without clear user consent. Furthermore, the incident has reignited discussions surrounding regulatory frameworks for digital privacy. Advocates are pushing for stricter guidelines governing how software developers disclose data usage, especially when dealing with sensitive information. This could involve mandatory disclosures about data collection methods and the explicit consent of users before any data is harvested. As a precautionary step, users are advised to utilize privacy-focused alternatives and consider employing comprehensive security solutions that offer additional layers of protection against data breaches and unauthorized access. Engaging with community forums or tech-savvy peers can also provide insights into safer browsing practices and recommended tools. The ongoing investigations by both Google and Microsoft signal a growing awareness of the need to protect users from potential exploitation. The tech giants are under pressure to enhance their vetting processes for extensions to prevent similar incidents in the future. As the situation develops, maintaining an informed and cautious approach will be essential for users navigating the complexities of online privacy. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to InfoSec Now for the latest cybersecurity news. Your support really helps us continue building useful content for cybersecurity professionals.